What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now, shout out to a case company called Caudabe, guys. They sent out some cases for your boy to check out, and today we checking out one of their all new cases, and this is called the Paragon. So, shout out to Caudabe. They make some really quality cases. I checked them out for the first time using my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, one of my favorite cases that I'm rocking on the device right now. No cap, got the sheath on my S24 Ultra right now. Well, let's just check out the back. As you can see, minimalist perfection. Meaning, like, this isn't the most minimal case on the market, but for the amount of protection that it offers is really minimal, not super bulky. We got Paragon, bold and bright. Paragon wraps your iPhone in stunning, vibrant colors, a mix of tough polycarbonate and our proprietary Shocklight polymer. Paragon provides outstanding grip and drop protection. So that's very dope. And we got a pearl-pearlescent, lightly textured. So it's going to have, a nice finish on that, color match. Elegantly contoured texture grooves to enhance grip. Grip is a big part of drop protection. With grip, you don't drop your device in the first place. And protective screen lip. That raised lip that I always talk about that I love. So let's go ahead and get this out. Pull it out like so. Flip this open. And here we have the Paragon. And this is like in a white, grayish type colorway. Matter of fact, they call in this colorway Moonstone. So as you can see, we got the Moonstone colorway going on, guys, and it's got that, if you could, like, let me see if I could get it to hit. It's got like a pearl pearlescent finish to it. Nice hard polycarbonate back. This case is more so squared off, but as you can see, nice big raised up lip, and the lip matches the actual size, so that's nice coordination in a gray colorway. And the button press is also in a gray colorway, so really clean white case here. And I can see this type of material, you could probably wipe anything off. This is a very hard polycarbonate back, and it'll clean up easily, and it's not taking no fingerprints. It looks really, this white really pops, and it's got like a like they said, the pearl pearlescent type look to it. You look on the sides, you see nice button press. I like that. Like, they got like an aluminum type button press with individual buttons, so they really tactile. Cut out for your actual camera control, and on the side, guys, you got a lot of grip. So grip is really good, and you got like this indentation going around where you like your fingers, the tip of your fingers could really fit into this little groove right here. So you got a serious grip, so you don't drop your device in the first place. And there you go, got your action button, your volume rocker, and more grip. We take it to the inside. As you can see, got Caudabe branding, minimalist perfection, and we got MagSafe on deck. And there's a nice microfiber type inner, so it's actually, you know, really keeping your device really safe. And it says genuine Caudabe product. Here we got the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro and the Paragon case. Now these colors may not match up the best. You know, I would go with, like, this would be great for like the white or the silver type iPhone, sure enough. But as you can see, nice and raised up to protect the cameras. You got this back, and I like this, something different like this. Is white, but I really feel like this is gonna stay clean. And if you do get something on here, it's easy to wipe this down with like a Clorox wipe or something. As you can see, the sides are really clean, guys. I like how they did the buttons. I like the gray. Nice tactile button press. Go ahead, listen. If you could get that. All cutouts down bottom are matching. Got your space for your camera control if you use that. Big gray power button. Just a nice clean case here, guys. And look how it's nice and raised up so your camera lenses are not protruding. And I mean, this thing feels perfect in hand. Very minimal for the amount of protection it offers, and it's got a nice raised lip. Lip nice and raised up. If you drop this device on a flat surface, the case is going to take the impact and not your display. So this case has MagSafe powers, and I got to check the strength of the MagSafe. Got a finger holder here. I'm just going to hold the finger holder, and snaps right on. It basically picked the phone up, guys. The strength, and it's not going nowhere. I'm trying to throw it off. It's not going nowhere. It's nice and tight. MagSafe strength is here. Very strong MagSafe. But shout out to Caudabe for sending out that all new Paragon case to your boy. Let me check it out. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link down in the description. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.